The introduction of the 2024 Chevy Silverado EV presents impressive specifications, boasting 754 horsepower and a range of 450 miles on a single charge, potentially redefining truck capabilities. However, Chevy faces a significant challenge in satisfying both gas-powered truck enthusiasts and electric vehicle advocates, especially with existing quality control issues. Addressing these concerns is crucial for maintaining customer loyalty. In response, Chevrolet is reintroducing hybrid models to enhance fuel efficiency, aiming to bridge the gap between traditional gas engines and fully electric vehicles, aligning with broader industry trends. The Silverado ZR2 showcases advanced off-road technology, featuring locking differentials and a 2-speed transfer case that significantly enhances its performance on rugged terrains, appealing to adventure enthusiasts. Significant improvements have also been made to the Silverado's interior, incorporating premium materials and modern aesthetics. Nonetheless, there are inconsistencies in quality and comfort, particularly in lower trims. While the Silverado does offer spacious crew cab options, rear seating comfort and support fall short for long journeys, jeopardizing its reputation as a family-friendly truck, despite providing adequate legroom. The Silverado's ride quality can be luxurious on smooth roads, but becomes bumpy over larger imperfections, leading to a potentially confusing experience for drivers. This inconsistency raises questions about the overall design. Historically, leaf springs have been integral to truck design, yet they can result in a rough ride, especially when the truck bed is empty. Competing models, such as the Ram 1500, offer superior suspension alternatives. Moreover, additional issues such as transmission problems, fluid leaks, and infotainment glitches may detract from the overall driving experience of the Silverado, underscoring the need for regular maintenance. The Silverado's air suspension can lead to a bumpy ride if it malfunctions, further emphasizing the necessity for routine maintenance checks to avoid costly repairs. Despite its high-tech features, the Silverado is not immune to software glitches, challenging perceptions of reliability in modern pickups that are packed with advanced technology. When comparing the Silverado with competitors like the Toyota Tundra and Ford F-150, differences in reliability scores and features become apparent, which are critical for potential buyers. Understanding the ongoing safety and reliability concerns associated with the Silverado equips owners with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions regarding their investment, particularly concerning recall histories. A comparison with competitors like the Ford F-150 reveals notable differences in performance and technology, with the F-150 recognized for its powerful engine options and advanced features. On the other hand, the Toyota Tundra distinguishes itself with its durability and hybrid engine options, delivering impressive performance metrics that balance power and efficiency, making it a formidable competitor in the truck market. The Tundra's interior is outfitted with luxurious touches such as leather seats, heated options, and a large infotainment system designed for convenience and connectivity, significantly enhancing the overall driving experience. Safety is paramount in the Tundra, which features advanced technologies like adaptive cruise control and a panoramic view monitor, offering drivers added confidence, especially when towing. Finally, off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the TRD Pro package, which includes upgraded suspension and a crawl control system for navigating challenging terrains, making the Tundra a versatile choice for adventurous drivers.